If there was equality, there would be no conversion. In Hinduism, if there was equality, nobody would convert. It's over these comments by Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah that a polarizing religion fight has taken center stage. Siddaramaiah, while speaking on the contentious issue of conversions, claimed that it was due to inequality in Hinduism.
ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ ಆಗೋದು ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಕೆಲವರು ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯ ಪರಿಣಾಮವಾಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ, ಹಿಂದೂ ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಮಾನತೆ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ? ಸಮಾನ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟೀಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ, ಸಮಾನತೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಅಸ್ಪೃಶ್ಯತೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಬಂತು?
Siddaramaiah then suggested that conversions have nothing to do with political parties, highlighting that it was people's choice to do so.
ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಲಪ್ಪ, ಮುಸಲ್ಮಾನ್ ಧರ್ಮದಲ್ಲರೂ ಇರಲಿ, ಕ್ರಿಶ್ಚಿಯನ್ ಧರ್ಮದಲ್ಲರೂ ಇರಲಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರೆ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಯಾರು ಕೂಡ ಅಥವಾ BJP ಅವರು ಯಾರು ಕೂಡ ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
But this comment by the Karnataka Chief Minister has left the BJP fuming, accusing Siddaramaiah of only speaking of inequalities in Hinduism and not other religions.
Is there any equality in other religions? I don't want to elaborate because it is going to hurt people. But no religion can bring equality. Religion is made on a hierarchical basis, all the religions. This government, unconstitutionally, first of all, they don't have a right to do census.
But the Congress is bracing it out, with ministers like Priyank Kharge firing a Manusmriti counter to highlight that inequalities do exist in Hinduism.
हिमाचल का प्रभाव के लिए हिमाचल सरकार को कर्नाटक ने 5 करोड़ रुपया दिया है. क्या वहाँ पे कांग्रेस सरकार है?
तो व्हाट इज ह्यूमैनिटेरियन क्लास को सभी देते हैं ना. जब मोदी जी अफ्रीका को भेजते हैं ह्यूमैनिटेरियन एड, सो दैट वो मास्टर स्ट्रोक होता है. जब सिद्धरामैया साहब गिव्स इट टू एनी अदर स्टेट, देन इट्स अ प्रॉब्लम.
BJP is trying to protect the Varna system. BJP doesn't want anybody to question the hierarchical system where human beings have been made to believe that you are of lower Varna, you belong to this kind of a class and caste, you have to do only this particular work. It is a fact that the majority of the population in the Hindu religion does not get the opportunity that the upper communities, the cream of that religion gets.
With the BJP renewing its anti-Hindu attack at Congress, it remains to be seen if Siddaramaiah will backtrack or stand by his remarks.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.